You have been running for months, maybe longer. Same pace, same wall, same dead end. You bought the expensive shoes. You downloaded the tracking app. You even started stretching, which, let's be honest, lasted about 4 days. And still, nothing moves. Here is the truth nobody tells you. Your running speed works exactly like a car. To go faster, you do not just need a bigger engine. You need better tires, the right fuel, and a driver who actually knows when to hit the gas. Right now, you are flooring it in the wrong gear. Let us fix that. Problem number 1. You are stuck in the gray zone. Every single run, you are going medium. Not slow enough to recover, not fast enough to build speed, just that miserable middle ground where you are suffering but not improving. Fitness scientists call it the gray zone. I call it the treadmill of broken dreams. It feels productive. It absolutely is not. The fix is the 80-20 rule. 80% of your runs should be so easy you can hold a full conversation without sounding like you are being chased. The other 20% should be so hard that talking is physically off the table. Slow runs build your aerobic base. Fast runs build the power. Stop running medium, pick a lane. Problem number 2. You are running with the brakes on. Every time your foot lands way out in front of your body, you are slamming the brakes mid-stride. It is called overstriding. And it is silently killing your pace while battering your knees at the same time. You are fighting yourself with every single step and wondering why running feels so hard. The fix is shorter, quicker steps. Imagine you are running on hot coals. You want your foot landing directly under your hips, not out front like you are trying to kick something. Make that one change, and you go from grinding to gliding. Same effort, noticeably faster. It sounds too simple to work. It is not. And real quick, we are on a mission to hit 10,000 subscribers. We are building something here, and every single person watching this is part of it. If this video has given you even one thing you did not know before, hit that like button right now. Not later, not at the end, right now. One tap takes half a second, and it helps this channel reach the next runner who needs to hear exactly this. We are almost there. Let us get there together. Now back to fixing your speed. Problem number 3. Your engine room is asleep. You sit at a desk all day. Your glutes, which are the most powerful muscles in your entire body, have completely clocked out. So your poor little calf muscles are left doing all the heavy lifting. And they tire out fast. It is like firing your best employee and making the intern run the whole company. The fix is simple. Before you run, do 10 bodyweight squats to wake your glutes back up. While running, think about pushing the ground away behind you rather than just dragging your legs forward. That one mental shift activates the right muscles instantly. Your calves will be so relieved, they might actually thank you. Problem number 4. You are skipping the part where speed actually gets built. Here is something that will blow your mind. You do not get faster while running. You get faster while sleeping after the run. That is when your body quietly repairs everything, rebuilds it stronger, and upgrades the engine. Every time you skip recovery, skimp on sleep, or hammer tired legs 2 days in a row, you are interrupting that entire process. You are not building speed. You are just accumulating damage and calling it dedication. The fix is simple. Hard day, easy day, no exceptions. If you feel heavy and exhausted every single morning, you are not lazy. You are under-recovered. The rest day is not a reward for training hard. It is the training. Here is your cheat sheet before you go. Stuck at one pace. Run slower on easy days and actually fast on hard days. Heavy feet. Take shorter, quicker steps and land under your hips. No power. Wake up your glutes before every single run. Always tired. 8 hours of sleep and take the rest day without guilt. 4 problems. 4 simple fixes. No gimmicks, no overhaul, no new shoes required. The speed is already in you. Your training just finally needs to catch up. And if you made it this far, You are exactly the kind of person this channel is built for. We are chasing 10,000 subscribers, and we genuinely cannot do it without you. Subscribe if you have not yet. Share this with one friend who is stuck at the same pace, and leave a comment telling me which of these 4 problems is yours. I read every single one. Now go fix the car.